right now, it's not even about left versus right. It's really about, are we going to be about freedom and people thriving, or are we not? And I agree with you that folks that are affirming freedom, that want to see people thrive, that don't get bent out of shape over who somebody loves or what they look like, or what country they may have been born in, or where their parents may have been born, need to harness the community that is the community of faiths across the country, which will lead me into Democracy Forward, because one of the things we're doing at Democracy Forward is we are representing houses of worship, diverse religions across the country, in litigation against the Trump-Vance administration because of the administration's undermining of religious liberty, and the administration seeking to conduct enforcement operations in houses of worship, which is preventing people from being able to be in communal worship together. We've won 2 court orders to stop some of those practices. And that's just one example of a lot of cases that we have. So Democracy Forward is a national legal organization. We work in communities across the country. It doesn't matter how small your town is or how big your city is. We're there for you. We have staff across the country. The organization is principally a legal organization, meaning that we believe that conduct can be changed when you sue people. And we see it every single day. Well, we do a lot more, including the work we are doing on campuses, which I'll talk about. We do a lot more than going into court, but we are based in a core kind of incredible legal team that is nonpartisan. We will sue anybody, doesn't matter what letters behind their name, if they're violating your rights or if they're inhibiting the ability of people in this country to thrive. And so what that has meant since January of last year is that we've been in court every single day, and some nights, against the Trump-Vance administration. We filed hundreds of cases. We coordinate with many organizations that folks that are tuning in probably support, as well as the state AGs, and we are winning a lot. But we're also doing work at the state and local level. We've had to go in to protect libraries and librarians, public schools. So we do that work as well. But the Trump work is something that a lot of people are paying attention to right now, because they just do unlawful things every day.
So many. I noticed you said Trump-Vance administration, and I like that. Is this a sort of pivot as we're starting to see that, I don't know, maybe Trump may kick the bucket any day now. Somebody's predicting it'll be tomorrow. Is this a way to sort of frame it that we're also fighting against J.D. Vance potentially?
We have been calling it the Trump-Vance administration since the beginning, and since the beginning of the administration, because that's what it is. And anybody that is aiding and abetting or participating in what very quickly became clear to the American people and is becoming more clear by the day, an administration that is trying to run roughshod over our rights, run roughshod over the collective project we have in this nation, to try to make it to where people can pursue happiness with themselves and in their communities and in their families, needs to be called out. And so we call it the Trump-Vance administration because that's what it is. We'd say that non-politically. Again, if their names were something else and they had other letters behind their names, we would be in court if they're trying to violate your rights, like they do.